Hi, Quinn here with Marq, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our free family tree builder in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, go ahead and select Start Designing from the Family Tree Builder page, or you can scroll up to the top and select Sign Up for Free in the navigation bar anywhere on the site. If you haven't already, this is going to prompt you to create a new free account with Marq. After completing those steps, you'll land on the logged in homepage of Marq. Now for step 2, you have a couple options. You can come up to the top right corner and select New Project and then Blank Project to start from scratch. Or for this example, we're going to go ahead and search templates for Family Tree. And then I'm going to select one that represents what I'm looking for. In this case, I like this one. I double clicked it and then I hit Create Document. We'll give it just a second to load. And just like that, I now have the beginnings of a beautiful family tree that I can now react to and add to, which brings us to step 3, Start Designing. You can change, remove, add, manipulate elements from text, shapes, colors, imagery, and much more. And for a family tree, it's pretty simple. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to change this guy to be me, Quinn, and on the top here we will put Mom and Dad. And you know what? Actually, I want to bring in a stock image here as well. I'm going to come up here and search for tree illustration. And I want something subtle. Let's go ahead and grab this guy. I'm going to drag it over to my document here. And I'm going to push it further in the back here with this function and have it sit behind. And just like that, in 3 easy steps, you were able to create a beautiful family tree without much technical knowledge. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up on all the latest videos where we show you how to compound these tools to make the most out of Marq. For example, collaboration with your teams, creating your own personalized templates, and locking in elements of those templates, and ultimately enabling your brand to do so much more. Thanks.